If we're talking about reconstruction specifically, or even revision breast surgery specifically, patients have gone through very difficult times. And we want people to feel comfortable in their skin. We want people to enjoy their lives. We want people to be happy with the way they look. I believe that the best thing that we can do for a patient is listen to them and deliver to them what they desire. Not everybody wants the same thing. I think that the most important thing is to really listen to a patient and hear what they're saying and what they want. So even though, for example, we may see a patient who has a beautiful reconstruction, but they don't want any reconstruction anymore, it's not our job to say, wow, you look so good and your breast looks so good. It's our job to really listen to them. And if that means making them aesthetically flat, that's what it means, which seems almost antithetical to the entire world of breast reconstruction. But it's really about listening to the patients and giving them a desired outcome.